Hi, my name is Louis Erickson. I'm Chief Operations Officer at BitWizards. Well, the most important job I have here at BitWizards is running the Dream Team, which includes the Director of Finance, Tabitha, and the Director of HR, Mallory. Sorry, Mallory. We have 4 cats. Yes, we are those people. Frankie, Cinco, a gift for our 5-year anniversary. Zorro, who's a little masked kitty cat. And our newest addition, Brocat. I am amazed by technology and how the world's coming. I am definitely looking forward to self-driving cars. I think of all the wasted time in cars that could be used in other ways. Well, I have a lot of hobbies. I like to stay active. I enjoy skiing and sailing. But if I had to say 2 things that I spend a good deal of time on, they include working out and fitness and playing poker. Now remember, the thing about fitness is that diet is 80% of it. I'm not very good at that part.